How to post on LinkedIn. Hey guys, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To post on your LinkedIn, it is pretty simple. So basically what you need to do is firstly launch a LinkedIn application in your device. If you have not installed one, you can also check out the LinkedIn official website. Now over here to begin with and start posting on your LinkedIn, what you can do is in your left hand corner, just basically click on your profile icon. Then again, tap on your profile. After which you need to scroll down to the very bottom until you see the option of create a post. Here you can tap on create a post button. Now in here you can share your thoughts or you can also share some of your articles that you have written. So what you can do is at the bottom, you will see this image icon. You can click on it to add some of the articles or anything that can help you get the job better. Or you can tap on the plus sign icon where you can also add event or celebration, job, polls, document and services as well. Now to select your audience, you can click on the drop down icon. Then you can select the audience within here. To schedule it, you can click on the timer icon at the top as well, then just enter the date and time to schedule it. So this is how you post on LinkedIn. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.